Hi everyone, it's D Fun Kids Store Reviews, and in this video we're gonna be making some fun slime types. And if you want to find out how I make the fish slime, just watch this video. Check this out, look at this cool slime. So this one is the one I call fish slime. So awesome. And here I have a lot of ingredients that we're gonna be using. Look at this cool little trinket. We'll make some googly eye slime, but we'll start with our toy bath. I just love to make slimes in this one. It's so fun. So I'm gonna do just the basic slime with the clear Elmer's glue. I chose clear because I want all these fun ingredients to be seen, like a see-through slime. So on the baking soda, there we go, we need more. And I'm gonna mix this up. Mix it well. And now we just need to add the contact lens solution. It starts to get better, but we just need a little more. There we go. Okay, our slime is ready. It's super soft, such a cool texture. So you can definitely leave it like this if you like, but we'll just be adding some cool stuff. Oh, look at this. So we'll start to make our fish slime first. I just call it fish slime because look at the sequins. These are so awesome. They really shine like a fish tail. Super cool. So I just add a lot of this and mix it up. There we go. I love the texture. It feels so awesome. Check this out. So this kind of slime definitely gets a little more clear if it sits more. But we're just gonna add more sparkle. We'll just do this glitter. Okay, and the trick here is to do this kind of like get it inside, and this way you just don't get, you know, sparkles all over your fingers. It's just easier to mix it up. It's really nice. It's so cool and so shiny. And it's crunchy. That's a really cool part. This is really cool. So, but we have a lot more slime types to try, so we'll just get moving. Whoa. Okay, next one I just want to call alphabet slime. Really? I found these cool letters. I found those at Lakeshore store. So they're kind of plastic, pretty thick letters, and they're really nice because they don't bend. So let's see. It's pretty cool, but though I think these letters are just a little too big to be like comfortable to play with. But the idea is really nice. So you just play with your slime and you find letters. Maybe you can just build some words, you know, it's fun. And next one, we'll do pom-poms and googly eyes. Let's see, how will this do? Hopefully it's gonna be like a crunchy slime due to the googly eyes. Let's see. So, just gotta mix it really well. There we go. Look at these super colorful pom-poms. They're amazing. So, should we add some more glitter to it? Look at this cool glitter. Or we should leave it like this. Well, you've seen it without the glitter, so I might as well just add some glitter so you see the difference. Just in case if you want to try this recipe at home. Alright, there we go. So just mix it in. This looks so nice that I decided to add more glitter and kind of a little bit of all of them. Pom-poms, googly eyes, and glitter in the slime. That's really awesome. Wow, look at this. This is so sparkly now. And I love the sound that it makes. So it's kind of a crunchy slime because it really makes this fun sounds. And the pom-poms are sticking really well to the slime. Get back in there. It's really cool. And next we're just gonna try this cloud, I don't know, super soft slime. And we'll just add to the same mixture to the slime, we'll just add like a foam. This is Mr. Bubble, it's a foam soap, but you can do like a shaving cream. So I like this one because it smells like cotton candy. It's so awesome, and I like that it's pink. So just mix it in well. Alright, there we go. The slime is ready and it's super fluffy and puffy and soft. It's so amazing. It really changed the texture. Look at it. That's so cool. This is really neat. And I love the color. It's super fun to play with. Squish, squish. Now it's time to cut it with green knife. Orange knife. Yellow knife. And we also have the blue knife that I just used to mix the slime. But it's really easy to take what's left off. There we go. And cut. So much fun! Cool sounds. It's really neat to just kind of put it in a cup and it comes off. And the same with other slimes. Look at this fish slime. Whoa, come out. Alright, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. My favorite slime was this one with lots of pom-poms and googly eyes. But I like the other ones really a lot too, yeah. They're so fun to play with. Super cool. Whoa, look at this one. And don't forget to store them in a Ziploc so they will last you longer. It was the Fun Kids Toy Reviews. Bye bye.